The cargo's intact. Well, that's something. Come on, let's get out of here.
Ah, shit! It's not moving!
Oh, looks like it's secured to the building with a safety cable.
Then let's get in there and cut this thing loose. A little help here!
Formers!
Let's move in.
Back off!
Come on!
They're everywhere!
Keep going! That cable has to be secured around here somewhere. Man bent!
Look, there's the cable! That did it! Good to go!
Come on! Let's get out of here!
Lock, cock, ready to go!
Man bent! Here, let's go before those things catch up with us!
Marcus, come in. This is Dizzy.
What the? Did he escape?
Dizzy, go ahead. We're on our way back with the fuel.
You better hold off. Queen Mira just showed up with her war beetle. We're under attack.
Oh, shit!
We see her, Diz. Just keep down and head to the room.